Today I'm going to do a cake. Guys, I'm going to show you how to make a cake. It's very simple and very easy. How to mix a cake, how to bake a cake. Okay, this is the ingredients I'm going to use today for the cake. I have eggs here, you can see it. I'm going to do 2 pounds of cake today. Water, and then I have a baking powder, I have vanilla, I have flour here. This is my milk and my sugar, you can see it. And this is lemon. I'm going to add to it, it gives flavor. Okay, and this is cocoa, is cocoa, you can see it's very good, it gives aroma, you can see it, aroma, give aroma to the food, and it gives taste to the cake. When you are eating the cake, you will be tasting the aroma on it. It's very good when you are using this, and it scents cocoa. You understand me? When you are eating, you will be seeing you will be scenting. Okay, guys, now I'm going to break the eggs inside this bowl. Let me put my milk back. Let me put this back side. Because first of all, I want to bake. I break the eggs. I step it aside. Now I'm going to fix my hand mixing machine. Okay, now I'm going to add my butter first of all. Now you add the sugar and you mix the two together. Before you turn your egg inside, you have to low on the low speed so that it will not turn. I'm going to add the egg, the mixed egg now. Now you can high your speed. Now I'm going to mix the baking powder, turn it inside the flour and mix it together. This is vanilla sugar, you have it on the flour too. Everything together and combine together. Okay, guys. Okay, now I'm going to add this is cocoa. Oh, it's very scenty. I add 1 spoon on it. I add lemon. This is natural lemon. Now, a spoon of it. This is vanilla. I'm going to add 1 spoon of vanilla. To mix everything. Lower speed. You start adding the flour step by step. Step by step. When you see it's too thick, you have to be adding your milk step by step. You can turn the rice flour on it. Now we are going to add the remaining milk. You can see it's very smooth. Cake is very easy to mix. It's only the decorating of the cake is so hard. Okay, now we have already finished mixing it. Just put it in lower speed. You see it? Everything we just out. Okay, I'm going to set my mixing on machine. I've already on my oven. Now I'm going to turn it. You just shake it a little bit so that it can mix together, so that everything will be equal. Okay, it's where it's okay like this. Now we are going to put it on our oven. Now I've already on the oven. I'm going to put the cake inside the oven and low. I'm going to put it at 180. Okay guys, we have to wait about 20 minutes. One pan is ready. You can see it guys. Yes, I've already done with one pan. You can see the other pan of the cake is already ready. Yes, it's ready. I'm going to turn it. For some minutes.